Here we are again, and this is the other lift on the right hand side, because this has a staff door, but this doesn't have. So my key card. Let's take a ride. It's at 5. It's beautiful lift. It's single MRL and mirror in the doors and inside the lift, and in the roof, of course. I think. Yes, here it is. This is different. Top 8. This is smaller than the other. It's wireless from Telnor. Here we are up at 8 again. Go back to 1 again. Oh, this looks a bit different. I'm not sure. Not sure. That's nothing. Okay, you can look out through the doors. Let's do that on the way down. You can see on the floor. There's written rock music in every floor. Except of one, of course.